Are you ready to build a snowman with me? This is such a fun little craft that we get to do. So first thing, before we get started, you have a job to do. You gotta go outside, so you're gonna have to get your coat on, you're gonna have to get your boots on, maybe some mitts if it's really cold, and you need to go find a couple things. First of all, you need to go get some sticks. Why? Because our snowman needs arms. Jeez, duh. And if you want, you don't need to, but if you want, run outside and find some little rocks, just some tiny little stones, because then you can put a smile on your snowman. All right, once you get back in the house, we'll get going and we'll get building. So you're back? Did you find your stuff? All right, let's get crafting. Okay, so what you will find in your kit is we have a bag. We also have a little cup of delicious smelling conditioner. You will have another bag that has your decoration supplies. So you will have a scarf, a button, a little carrot nose, and 2 stones for your eyes. So let's get to the first bit. We need a bowl, right? Because we're gonna be mixing. What you're gonna do is you're going to very carefully pour your baking soda in a bowl, because that's what it is. It's baking soda. And after you get that done, you are going to take your conditioner, smells delicious, and you are going to pour it into your baking soda. Now I grabbed a plastic knife, so I've got something to mix all of this up with. And you're gonna dump them in together. Get it all in there. All right, once we've got it in there, we can start the fun bit. We just start mixing, that's it. We just start mixing it around. A plastic knife works great because it cuts it up, cuts little chunks into it. As you can see, it's starting to kind of clump up a little bit. Mixing, mixing, mixing. And cut into it lots because you want to try and get all of that baking soda mixed in with your conditioner. And look at, you're probably gonna make a mess. Sorry, moms. Get it all mixed. Let's feel this. Oh yeah, this is kind of sticky, but it's feeling good. Now, if you're making it and you find that yours is really, really sticky still, you can add a little bit more baking soda to it. I'm sure your mom has some in her cupboard. And if you feel like it's too dry and it's not sticking, you just add a little hair conditioner in it. So here we go. We've got it all mixed up. It's feeling good. Okay, now we get to play. I have brought a tray here so I can make a mess. I have some snow that I made the other day. So let's just start. We'll lay our snow out. Here we go. And then we are going to start making a snowman. So what does a snowman need to start off with? He needs a base. He needs his big ball. So let's get squishing. Squishy, squish, squish. There's my ball. I think I want it to be just a touch bigger. So I'm gonna add a little more into it. Now your hands are gonna feel kind of dry, kind of dusty, but you know what? That's part of, doing crafts, is getting a little dirty. All right, I've got my bottom ball. Now, next step, what do you think we need? Well, he needs a belly, right? He needs a middle ball. So let's get squishing, squishing, squishing our ball for our middle. Now you'll find with this stuff, if you try to roll it, it might work, but sometimes it kind of crumbles on you. So it works better if you just kind of press. Let's hope our snowman's gonna stay together. All right, I think my guy's middle ball is about the same size as his bottom ball. Can you see? Here he is. And what else does he need? Number 3, ball number 3, he needs a head. It's hard to be a snowman without a head. We're so squishy, squishy, squishing. Squishy, squish. All right. Ball number 3. I hope his head stays together for me. Ooh wee. Okay, so now we have the shape of a snowman. Now we need to get onto decorating him. So, dusty, dirty hands. I am going to start off with, I think I'm gonna start off with my scarf. I'm gonna take it, give it a little twist or two. Actually, what I might do is just tie the little knot in it now. And then I'm gonna try and slip it over his head. This might be a terrible, terrible idea. But he's got a scarf on. He looks snuggly and warm, doesn't he? All right, next step is his nose. So let's put his nose in his little face. There we go. Can you see? He's looking snowman-y. Then he needs eyeballs. So we'll take your little stones, boop, boop. Oh, his eyeball doesn't want to stand. And now we have eyeballs. We need sticks for his arms. So in they go. Boom. And last but not least, we made you a hat. Put your hat on your little snowman. If it'll stay. Mine wants to fall off. Oops. So there we go. We have a snowman. Hope you guys enjoyed the craft, and feel free to send me pictures of your creations. All right, so here we go, guys. This is our little snowman. Isn't he adorable? I didn't have room for my little smile, so I put his tiny little stones on his belly. Now, if you're done with your snowman, you can take him all apart. Oh no, he's falling apart. And break your snow up and start all over again. So you can keep playing with this for a few days. If you want to keep it fresh, you may want to put it into a Rubbermaid container of some sort, or a Tupperware container, just so that it doesn't dry out too much, because it will just dry out and get a little bit crusty after you leave it out for a while. So I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you soon for our next take and make.